Hello everybody, we are back again with part 2 of building and getting the greenhouse ready for planting. As we talked in first part, we left the chicken for a couple weeks here to fertilize the ground. Now it's time to get them out from here, bring more manure from our sheep pen, and then after that we will tilt the ground. So now we added the sheep manure. It's time to flip the ground. We are done with tilting the ground, so it's time to clean the ground from all those rocks and sticks. Here we are running our drip lines. If you have any question about the tools that we're using or the dimension details about those drip lines, leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to answer any question. And we are now holding the drip lines into the ground using those staples. If you do this, make sure to open your water first, make the line stretch completely, then put your staples so you don't make any holes in the line. Here we start doing the line to grow the tomato and the peppers. So what we do here, we make straight lines and then we run our drip water on the top of it, then cover it with the plastic. Now it's time to make holes in the plastic. I use a small torch to do that. Here we got to the best part, putting the plants in the ground. I love in this part that you can see the result very quick. We use fast growing formula soil to help our plant roots to thrive and kick start in the beginning. We put in the bottom of the hole, around the plants, and in the top of it as much we can. And here we got to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. If you didn't watch part 1, make sure to go back, subscribe and like our channel, watch it, and stay tuned for part 3. Until then, you guys take care.